Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad from Androzilla. Today I walk through how to fix Google Assistant is not available on this device or error on the Android phone. The step is very easy. You need to hold your power off until you see reboot the device or restart your device. And if it's not that working, you go to next step. Is you go to Play Store. From Play Store you want to go to Google apps. That you need to update all Google apps you need to update it like that. You need to update that Google apps that fix the problem. If not, you go to next step. You go to setting. From setting, scroll down until you see apps. Click on apps and go to manage apps. Wait for a second. Go to Google. Here Google. Click on it. Sorry. I need to uninstall, update, and uninstall again. If not that work, you need to force stop the app, and that after that you need to clear the data. If not that working, you go to storage. From storage you need to clear the data. You go back. If not that working for you, you need to go to in the top right corner. You have three dots. Click on it and go to setting. No, you not go to setting. You click in three dots and you need to reset preference, app preference. That will fix the problem. And this video for today I hope helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff.